Hello, and thank you for choosing Satechi. Today in this video, we're going to be showcasing our new mobile Pro Hub, which we developed for the new 2018 iPad Pros. It features a USB-C pass-through charging port, a USB-A port, HDMI, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Once you connect the mobile Pro Hub to the iPad, there will be an indicator in the upper right showing that the hub has been connected, as well as the input audio device in the dock. First, we will connect our charging cable to the pass-through charging port. We included a USB-A port to connect your keyboards, cameras, or microphones. As you can see, plenty of the functions on the keyboard are still available on the iPad, including brightness, volume, and screen capture. An HDMI port has been included to connect and mirror your iPad's display on many monitors, TVs, and projectors. And lastly, we decided to include a 3.5mm headphone microphone combo port to continue using your favorite wired earphones or headphones. Thanks again for choosing Satechi, and don't forget to like or comment